On the TU Dublin homepage, you'll find a link to the CAO Hub, a digital and dynamic source of information for prospective undergraduate students. Whether you're doing your Leaving Certificate or joining the university as a mature student, this hub will have all you need to know. You'll begin your journey here on the CAO Hub homepage, where you'll find information on areas such as applications, fees, and campus life. One of the most useful tools will be the course search tool. TU Dublin has a wide range of disciplines and subjects, and this will help you narrow down the options and discover ones you didn't know existed. Where relevant, you'll find progression information and courses with alternative into Level 8 through Level 6 and Level 7 courses. Technological? Well, that's in our name, so make sure you check out the many courses in engineering, construction, computing, and the sciences. TU Dublin has the largest number of students studying on business degree programmes, with choices of levels, specialisations and locations to do these. Many of these courses can be studied with a language and the option to study abroad on an Erasmus. There are also many options in creative arts that can't be found anywhere else. Discover courses in fine art and visual communication, along with some of Ireland's top drama and music courses. Our application section is full of useful advice to guide you, your parents and guardians along the journey of CAO. It can be confusing, so make sure to utilise this section to get a better understanding of how it all works. TU Dublin is one of the most physically accessible universities in Ireland, with campuses in Blanchardstown, Tallaght and in the city centre at Ainger Street, Bolton Street and our new campus at Grange Gorman. This section will help you to get a better idea of what's available on each campus and the number of route options available to you, no matter where you're travelling from. We know that there's a lot of information available out there, and that can be overwhelming. We hope that this CAO Hub will help you find the right course for you at TU Dublin.